Hello everybody. Today's installation video is for the XV4 rear bumper for the Arrma Senton 4x4. Alright, let's get into it. This is almost the identical, actually I do think it is an identical installation to the front bumper, but I wanted to give you guys a distinction just in case there was any confusion. Okay, the first thing to note is that the bumpers do come fully assembled. If for some reason they are not assembled, just use the supplied M4x12 flathead screws to attach the rods. And then for sure the block and brace assembly will be fully assembled like so. Okay, first thing we'll want to do is to take off the stock rear bumper, and that will be done with just these two screws here, which I already have started. And that just pops off. Flip the car over. Make sure you can see everything. Okay, very good. And it'll just be this M3 here and this M4. Okay, and then we'll just reach under and pop this off. Okay. Now, you do not need that anymore. The next thing we want to do is to mount the mounting block and the brace assembly. The easiest way to do this will be to take this hinge pin brace there and mount it to the block, just like that. That'll make things a lot easier for you. And then we'll just put it right back on the car. Oh yes, I believe I mentioned this in the front one as well as in the front one. We have modified or updated these blocks so that they do fit over the hinge pin holes. That was a simple design oversight we had. We have updated them, or we will be updating them, so that they will cover the hinge pins so that to prevent those hinge pins from falling out. If you have one of these older blocks, one of these first gen blocks, send us an email at tboneracing or sales@tboneracing.net, and we will send you one of the updated blocks, no problem. Okay? For now, the mounting will be the same though. So, just fit it on the car like that. We'll turn this back over. And this will mount up with these screws that I have lost. 1 second. Okay, and the block assembly will mount up with these M3 by 14 flatheads. Oops. Oh, let me just fumble everything here. Okay. All right. All right, with that secure, the next step will be to mount the bumper to the car. So let's flip this over once more. All right, you can see everything. Take your bumper, goes right here. Oh yes, you will have a small aluminum spacer, and that will go right in that back M3 hole. I believe we supply a slightly larger or longer screw for that M3. I think it's a M3 by 14 as well, though I would have to check. I suddenly forgot about that. And then you'll just use the stock M4 screw to mount up the front plate. Tighten that back one down. Alright, and the last step will be to mount the brace to the bumper. This is a good example. If for some reason, during shipping, during storage, during something like that, the brace and the bumper do not align completely, do not fear, they are totally pliable. And all you have to do is put that M3x10 screw in, line it up, and press it through, and it's no problem. If you could only see what I'm doing. Alright, there we go. And then that will just be secured with this supplied M3 lock nut. You know, I just thought of this while I'm tightening this up, is I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. What is the most helpful angle to see during these installation videos? Because I've been using the same one for quite a while, and I would like to provide you guys with a little better value. So I wonder how I could set that up. Let us know in the comments, and I'll make sure to check up on it. Alright, so with that tightened down, that is how you mount the XV4 rear bumper to the Arrma Senton 4x4. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, thank you for your support of T-Bone Racing, and have a nice day.